Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go into your favorite browser and then go for YouTube. Also, you can type over here called youtube.com. After that, click on YouTube. And now you are in YouTube. If you want to download any of videos, like I'm going to download this video over here. So how are you going to download it? Just simply click on that. Hey everyone, welcome. Minimize it, and after that you can see if you come over this like and dislike options over here, you will find the download option over here. So if you click on the download, then you can simply download which resolution you want to download. If you're using a premium, then this option will be visible for you. But I'm not using visible premium, that's why I don't want to go for this settings. I will go to click on the download 144p and then click on download. And after that, the downloading is started. You can see as the downloader is completed. And now if you click on this view option, you can simply find your download over here. Also, you can get it from these 3 vertical line option, and from here you can get all the downloaded videos in your YouTube. So this is how you can download YouTube videos into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.